to a recent National Association of Home Builders study, today's buyers are looking for smaller homes, prompting builders to build smaller homes. It's Friday, July 5th, 2024. Hope everyone had a safe and fun Independence Day holiday celebration yesterday. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. This study indicated that buyers' target sizes for homes dropped from a median of 2,689 square feet in 2015 to a median 2,140 square feet this year so far. Based on this study, builders plan to build even smaller homes going forward. Maryland builders have been decreasing production of new construction homes over the past 10 years, from 17,057 units of single-family homes in 2015, dropping to 9,760 units by 2022, leading to additional inventory challenges. Applying this data to Maryland's real-life circumstances, many areas are fully built out in the more densely populated areas with limited building locations. Combine this challenge of finding a vacant lot for building with a shortage of skilled labor, zoning restrictions, increased cost of supplies, governmental costs, and local restrictions. Builders are opting to construct smaller homes when they do build. So, buyers can only select from what is available, and if only smaller new construction homes are available, that's what they buy when resale inventory is not available. The resale inventory stands at 1,683 homes coming to the market this past week, and another 980 will be coming to the market soon. 1,429 homes went under contract in 10 median days. 1,637 homes sold since last report at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 8 days. Rentals available for lease rose again this week to 2,180 at $2,450 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for your weekly Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 5th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.